Good evening, everyone. Here I am Riju, the director of RGSDM. Today we are discuss about entity course, Nursery Teacher Training course. What is Nursery Teacher Training? In which field you can get job through this course? Also, we are discussing about the syllabus as well as the fees. So let's to see about that. So you can also open RGCSM, the website. You also get all the details over there. So today we are discussing about entity course, diploma course in child education entity. This is during this course or during 1 year we need this course for 12. This course divided into two parts. One is theory papers, another is practical papers. What is what are the contents about this paper or in this course in theory paper? First is child psychology, child welfare and health, school organization and management, psychology and audience guidance, sociology and guidance, education psychology, principle of education, method of teaching, total marks 700. Also psychology. Next one is child welfare and health, school organization and management, sociology and guidance, education psychology, principle of education and also method of teaching. The total marks should be taken in theory paper 700. After that we are discussing about practical papers. These are some practical syllabus over there. Lesson planning and teaching, arts and craft, arts file and plain book, preparation of teaching aids, rhythm, action songs, speech, stories, viva, internal marks, total marks. So total marks is 700 as well. Fee structure, you can have a look at fee structure about this course. So for general candidates 9,000 per year, for SC/ST handicaps candidates 8,000 per year. This is actually 2 years course. So about this regarding this course, if you have any questions, so you can should be contact to us in this number 8972320544. Also you can mail in or you can visit our website and put your recommendation or whatever you have questions in www.rgsdmwebly.com. The next video we are discussing about what is hotel management, hotel and travel management as well. What are the job roles, what kind of job given to you, and subscribe this video in your friend cycle and share as much as you can. Thank you very much.